Hello, welcome at the Kontron booth at Embedded World in Nuremberg. I'm Ulrike Kunz from Marketing Department. In the spot now, Kontron HMIs based on x86 and RISC architectures, designed for various applications and markets like transportation, medical and automation. Kontron HMIs exactly meet the environmental demands, functionality and specification for these applications. Scalability in form factor, performance and display sizes makes the choice easy. Join us to make your project happen. Please visit kontron.com and find out more about Microclient 2A, HMI TR, NanoClient and PicoClient. Thank you.